Hello, Forever family. Until then, keep focused on what matters most for you.
Hello, Forever family. I'm Garen Breinhold, Executive Vice President of Sales and Technology. Welcome to our December episode of Forever Matters. Let's check out some of the exciting things unfolding around the globe at Forever. Let's kick things off with Forever Greece. They recently had a special experience day where FBOs could bring their guests to get a glimpse of what a success day looks like. Over 400 people had their chance to learn about Forever, experience the community, and sample aloe vera gel drinks and other products. Next, Forever Serbia recently celebrated its 23rd anniversary with over 1,500 FBOs from the region. The event featured inspiring guest speakers, including top local leaders from Serbia. Now in Kuala Lumpur, Forever Malaysia had an exclusive day of recognition. Their 2 new local products were announced and several FBOs joined the 5cc Club. Meanwhile, in Kota Kinabalu, Forever Malaysia also hosted an event featuring recognition segments and impactful speaker sessions, making it a memorable occasion for all participants. Now over at Forever Singapore, there was a wonderful event with special guest Rolf Kipp, who provided helpful insight to help benefit everyone's Forever businesses. In November, Forever Slovenia organized the Let's Grow Forever Business Seminar, which brought together participants for a day of personal growth, skills development, and networking tailored for both seasoned FBOs and newcomers. With exceptional speakers, practical insights, and a supportive atmosphere, the event left attendees motivated and with tools for success. At the end of November, Forever Hong Kong's FBOs gathered together for a vibrant success day, featuring recognition and guest speakers Hanami Tagagi sharing her journey to success, and Eagle manager Alnika Bunda offering insights into effective retailing. Meanwhile, Forever Romania and Moldova celebrated the last success day of the year in a festive atmosphere with over 1,200 people in attendance. Many wonderful stories were shared, along with tips and tricks for leveling up in the Forever business. And at Forever Germany, FBOs were warmly welcomed to Germany's headquarters in Munich for a business start incentive that featured networking opportunities, training sessions, and much, much more. Next, in Forever Ghana recently held an annual end-of-the-year retreat for FBOs. It was an unforgettable 4-day event designed to empower attendees with practical strategies to take their businesses into new heights in 2025. In Coventry, Forever UK hosted a success day, bringing together FBOs from across the UK. Highlights included announcement of an upcoming move to a brand new office in early 2025. Finally, in Sydney, Forever Australia held a fantastic training and recognition day. Joined by special guest, our president Aidan O'Hare, the event was full of motivation and excitement, and it was the first event hosted under new country manager Niamh Kiernan. In addition to all of our exciting recent events, 2025 kickoff events will be happening in January around the world, and we'd love to have you in attendance. Reach out to your local market and ask about kickoff events happening in your area in January. Throughout the year, Aidan has been sharing the message of growth around the world, and over the last few months, we asked you to share your personal stories of growth for a chance to be featured in Forever Matters. Here's one of the standouts from this past month.
Hello everyone, my name is Monica Knudsen and I'm a Sapphire manager from Norway. I have been an FBO for 11 years, and thanks to this opportunity, I have had the freedom to stay home with my 3 kids and be present for them. This year, I have qualified for a level up, a journey and experience that I'm really looking forward to. My best tips for you to level up in 2025 is to do something for your business every single day. Sporadic effort leads to sporadic results, so consistency is key. I also recommend you to write down 3 big goals for the upcoming year and, if needed, getting help to create a solid plan. Then you have to stick to the plan and trust the process. It will help you to stay focused. Good luck!
Wow, what an amazing story. Don't forget, use hashtag Let's Grow Forever and post a short video about anything related to growth and forever for a chance to be featured in a future Forever Matters episode. Let's move on to recognitions. We have 8 new sapphires and 1 new diamond sapphire to celebrate. First, from Ghana, we have Julius Ayimasu. We have from South Africa, Palesa Elizabeth Masibi. From the Philippines, we have Dr. Juanito and Gay Marie Tiu. Now from Japan, we have Chizuru Matsui. We have Mami Hori. We have Katsutoshi Yoshida. We have Sanai Higuchi and Tamao Iwasaki. And our new diamond sapphire from Iraq, Abir Abd Athab. Now let's dive into the top 10 global CCs for the month of November. At number 10 from South Africa, we have Buyasiwe Kauai. From Burkina Faso, we have Aliseta Kabore. From South Africa, we also have Kuji Kanyaini. From Turkey, we have Dea Ahmad Atea. From South Africa, we have Nukumisa Tuletu Majesi. And at number 5 from South Africa, we have Richard Mabatha Bekisisa. From the UAE, we have Rolf and Dominic Kip at number 4. And at number 3, we have Etsuko Motozuji. And at number 2 from South Africa, Nobili and Percy Meseluku. And from Japan, we have at number 1, Honami and Koken Tagagi. Congratulations. Now it's time to recognize the top 10 open group for November. At number 10 from Japan, we have Mizuho Arita. At number 9 from Japan, we have Munan Ka. And at number 8 from South Africa, we have Sabisa Nadamasi. At number 7 from Japan, we have Dana Savosa. At number 6 from South Africa, we have Nikimusa Tuletu Majesi. At number 5 from Moldova, we have Marina and Theodore Karnat. At number 4 from South Africa, Nobili and Percy Meseluku. At number 3 from South Africa, we have Buyasiwe Kauai. And at number 2 from Japan, we have Mami Hori. And at number 1 from Japan, we have Hanami and Koken Tagagi. Great job, everyone. Your dedication is showing. Let's keep up the progress. I'm looking forward to introducing new names next month. Now let's hear from Sierra Mon with updates from the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation.
As 2024 comes to a close, we are thrilled to share some incredible news. Through the generosity and commitment of our Forever family, we were able to collect enough funds to sponsor not 1, but 2 new water projects through Charity Water. In Burkina Faso, we hope to impact almost 400 lives through a tapped water system, which will allow women and children to walk just minutes to access water instead of walking for hours every day for water that may not be safe to drink. In Cambodia, fresh water is available, but in some areas it's contaminated, making it unsafe to drink. Charity Water's partners will install biosand filters to ensure that families have safe, clean access to water. I want to extend a huge thank you to everybody who helped us come together around this mission in 2024. Through the 4 water projects that we've sponsored this year, we hope to impact over 2,000 lives that will be changed for the better forever. Together, we've proved that every drop does truly make a difference. As we celebrate these achievements, we know that this is just the beginning of what we can accomplish together, and we look forward to continuing this mission into 2025 to continue to work with Charity Water towards a world where every man, woman, and child has access to the clean water that they deserve. Up next, a special message from our president, Aidan O'Hare.
Thanks a lot, Sierra, and great job in making sure that Forever Giving stays in the forefront of mind. We love Forever Giving and what we've been able to do with for all those great people around the world. So great job. I love this program. Forever Matters allows us to see what's going on around the world and also to see who's being recognized. I hope that you watch it like I do every month and think, okay, who's going to be number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. We're doing a lot of changes to Forever Matters over the next few months, so don't miss an episode. I have a responsibility now to let you know about some people that are moving on to different phases in their lives. You know, we have the opportunity to work with the best people in the world throughout Forever Living and especially here at the home office. And one of the things that we have in the home office is a lot of longevity. Our executives and people that work here typically work here for a long time. And these 2 young men that are moving on now, first one, Dave Hall, who's been our head of finance for almost 40 years. It's incredible to think about how long Dave's been part of the Forever journey. He joined Forever way back in the beginning with RJ Lloyd and Rex when they were first starting the concept, and he's been an integral part of what's been going on since that moment. We really appreciate him, appreciate his sacrifice, appreciate his hard work, and we're going to miss you, Dave. It's not going to be the same without you, but we're very excited about the future and the legacy that you've left. But so on behalf of Greg, myself, and the whole Forever family, we want to say thank you. The second person that is retiring at the end of this year, 2024, is Bill Lewis. Bill has been with us for decades as well. It's incredible to think, I think, if I remember rightly, Bill joined the company in 1979. 2 months to become a manager. He caught the attention of Rex and the leadership, and then he worked as a general manager in the US, and then he went overseas to be the country manager in Spain and Portugal, and since then has been just about to every single corner of the world, every country, in part of his role as a senior vice president of special projects. He's been an integral part of Forever for decades, and we're really grateful for Bill's sacrifice, his hard work, and all that he's done. And we will miss him, especially with his unbelievable, unprecedented knowledge of the marketing plan. So Bill, on behalf of Forever, myself, and Greg, congratulations. Thank you for your dedication to Forever. We wish you the very best as you go to spend some time with your grandchildren, enjoy the time with your family. We'll miss you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. There you go. Thanks a lot, and over to you, Garen.
The new year will be here soon, so now is the perfect time to dive into your goals and secure your spot at Forever Global Rally in Paris. We can't wait to see you all there. Until then, stay committed to what truly matters most to you.